Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will see the selection and bubble sorts. Selection sort. In selection sort, every time a largest number is selected and swapped with the proper index. Let us see an example. First, 5 is compared with 1, 3, 4 and 6, but 6 is the largest element which is greater than 5, and so 6 will be swapped with 2 and 6 will reach at its correct position. Now the next largest element will be found. Now 5 is the largest element, so 5 will be swapped with 2 and it will reach at its correct position. Now the next largest element is 4, but it is at the correct position, so no swapping will be done. Now the next largest element is 3 and it is also at the correct position, hence no swapping will be done. Now the next largest element is 2 and now it will be swapped with 1. Now the next largest element is 2 and it is not at the correct position, so it will be swapped with 1. So now it is done. We have obtained a sorted array. Selection sort algorithm. On input we have to give an array of n elements, and on output following steps are performed. Step 1 for I from Step 1 for I equal to 1 to n minus 1. Step 2 k equal to I. Step 3 for j equal to I plus 1 to n. Step 4 if a of j less than a of k, then k equal to j. Step 5 and for Step 6 if k not equal to I, then interchange a of I and a of k. Step 7 and for. Now let us see the bubble sort. In bubble sort, we are bubbling up the largest element. Traverse a collection of elements, move from front to the end, bubble the largest value to the end using pairwise comparison and swapping. Consider this array of 6 numbers. Now 42 and 77 is the pair first selected and swapping will not take place because 42 is smaller than 77. Now the next pair 77 and 35 is compared, but 35 is smaller than 77, hence swapping will take place. Now 12 and 77 will be compared and 12 is smaller than 77, so 12 will be swapped with 77. Now 77 will be compared with 101 as 77 is smaller than 101, so no need to swap. Now 101 and 5 is compared. 5 is smaller than 101, so swap will take place. Now at the end the 101 will be placed at last, which is its correct position. Notice that only the largest value is correctly placed. All other values are still out of order, so we need to repeat this process. How many times should the bubble up be repeated? If we have n elements and if each time we bubble an element, we place it in its correct location, then we repeat the bubble up process n-1 times. This guarantees we will correctly place all n elements. Bubbling all the elements. As we can see, after n-1 times, the array is sorted and we get the correct sorted order. Now let us see the algorithm for bubble sort. We have two parameters, data and n. Here data is an array with n elements This algorithm sorts the elements in data. Step 1. Repeat step 2 and step 3 for k equal to 1 to n minus 1. Step 2. Initialize pass pointer ptr with 1. Step 3. Repeat while ptr less or equal to n minus k. If data of ptr greater than data of ptr plus 1, then interchange data of ptr and data of ptr plus 1. And B. Set ptr equal to ptr plus 1. Step 4. Exit. So these were selection and bubble sort algorithms. Thank you for watching the tutorial.